the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UG Senate exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UG Senate Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan, and here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here the vacancies are there from the Quantum University. It is one of the private university. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video. After clicking on that link, then you will be directed to this official website. Then here go to this one and click on this one. Here you will be directed to the this many number of tabs, and here the careers blog is there. So click on this careers blog, then you will be directed to the vacancies page. See, if you are committed to excellence, this is an opportunity of a lifetime. And application, search and apply for open positions that you deem fit for your profile and career goals in the online form given below, and we will get back to you once we have the matching position with us. So the initial screening is once an online application form is received, the Quantum University Selection Committee will review your information and the interview calls and the interview process and the interview feedback. So everything will be done, and here the feedback of the interview process will be communicated to the selected candidates via phone call or the email. And if you want to apply for this one, click on this one, then you will be directed to the job application form. So before going into this job application form, now I will show you what are the departments are there. See, in the online application form itself, here coming to the department, you can check the different departments are there: computer science, mechanical, mechatronics, electronics, electrical, civil, petroleum, management science, humanities and social science, agricultural studies, food technology, journalism, animation, pharma, nutrition and the hotel management, foreign languages, training and placement, law and radiology. So these are the different departments announcing the vacancies from this Quantum University. So if you want to apply, just fill up all these details and your educational qualification and your experience details and click on the submit. Then automatically within few days, the candidates belonging to this Quantum University will approach you based upon your criteria. That means based upon your professional profile and the educational qualifications and the experience, right? So candidates who belongs to these departments, whatever I shown you right now. So if you're having the post graduation in these departments or PG plus UG Senate or the PhD, then try to apply if you're interested in this university, right? Then there's a chance to get call for the interview, fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities, and please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this, and after subscribing tap the bell icon. Thank you.